Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use HSBC for international banking quick tutorial. Begin by visiting the official HSBC website. Navigate to the International Banking section. Select the option for opening an international account. Review the account types available for international customers. Choose the account that best suits your needs. Click on the Apply Now button. Fill in the required personal information in the online application. Provide your address, contact details, and nationality. Upload any necessary identification documents, such as your passport. Complete any additional information required for compliance purposes. Submit your application and wait for confirmation from HSBC. Once approved, you will receive your account details via email. Log into your online banking portal using your new credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. To transfer funds internationally, locate the transfer option. Enter the recipient's banking details, including SWIFT code and account number. Specify the amount you wish to transfer. Review the currency conversion rates provided. Confirm the transaction and authorize it through your security method. Monitor the status of your international transfer on the dashboard. For future transactions, save the recipient's details for quicker access. Utilize HSBC's customer support for any queries or issues. Explore other services, such as foreign currency accounts and international insurance. Stay informed about international banking fees and exchange rates. Leverage HSBC's online resources for tips on managing your international finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.